Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about operating while intoxicated or impaired, and as it relates to child endangerment. One of the issues that comes up a lot in custody is, are we servicing the safety needs of the child as we determine the custody? And what that really boils down to is we have to do an analysis, and it's amongst the factors that the court's going to look at, is if we determine placement of a child, are we doing the right thing? Is it something that will promote the safety of the child? And if so, we might go that way. If we see that if something's being done that might be dangerous to the child, we might consider alternatives. So when you talk about the drunk driving or drunk driving charges, we have to ask ourselves, is this something that might impact the child? If it's something that might impact the child because the parent is repeatedly getting caught drunk driving, then the court may very well consider that and may say, look, we can't give you the custody nod until such time as you get control of your alcohol consumption and driving. Now, having said that, you have to understand something about drunk driving. The opportunity to violate these laws has become greater and greater as time has gone on, because the Michigan legislature keeps making it easier to violate these laws, such that levels that now put you in the criminal category years ago were not even considered drunk driving. So, which means if you were driving your child years ago under, let's say, a limit where you were, let's say, 0.1, would that make you guilty of endangering the child? And now, if there's a legal limit that says anything above 0.08 is drunk driving, now all of a sudden you're a criminal and it could impact custody. The truth is, the physiology hasn't changed. The amount of time it takes for your blood alcohol to metabolize into your system, the amount of time it takes for alcohol to metabolize through your blood into your system hasn't changed at all. Only the politics has changed. So when we look at these things, the court has to take a very careful look. It's not just, oh, you have a drunk driving conviction, you lose custody. It's not that simple. The court has to take a much more detailed analysis in order to make sure of several things. Number one, a person's rights, even if they've been convicted of that crime, they still have custody rights and they're still entitled to a fair hearing. And number two, the child has rights too. Should the child be denied a mother just because she happens to have picked up a drunk driving charge, where years ago nobody even would have stopped her? There was no accident, no nothing. She just happened to be picked up because she had a taillight broken, so they stopped her. Is that fair? So the court has to do that analysis to determine whether or not there is in fact a child endangerment issue with respect to that potential drunk driving. If you have any questions about that, call today and we'll be glad to help you out.